friends, my name is Ramesh. My qualification MSc BE Mathematics. First, second year maths syllabus వచ్చేసి 2 parts ఉంటున్నాము. First one algebra part, second part probability. Algebra part లో 7 chapters ఉంటాయి. వచ్చేసి first one complex numbers, second one De Moivre's theorem, third one quadratic expression, fourth one theory of equation, fifth permutations and combination, sixth one binomial theorem, seventh one partial fractions. ఈ 7 chapters వచ్చేసి algebra part. And next probability part. Probability లో first one measures of dispersion, next probability, and last chapter random variable and probability distributions. ఈ చాప్టర్స్ యొక్క వెయిటేజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఫస్ట్ వన్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ టోటల్ మార్క్స్ వచ్చేసి 8 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్, 1 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ De Moivre's theorem, this chapter weightage is 9 marks. 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question. And third chapter quadratic expression, this chapter weightage is 6 marks. 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question. Theory of equation, this chapter weightage is 9 marks. 1 2 marks question, 7 marks question 1. Permutations and combinations, this chapter weightage is 12 marks. Out of 12 marks, permutation 6 marks, 2 plus 4, combination 2 plus 4. Next, binomial theorem. This is the lengthiest chapter and very important chapter. This chapter weightage is totally 16 marks. 1 2 marks question, 2 7 marks question. Next, partial fractions, only 1 4 marks question. Measure of dispersion, 9 marks weightage, 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question. Probability, this chapter weightage is 15 marks. 2 4 marks questions, 1 7 marks question. Random variable and probability distribution, this chapter weightage is 9 marks. 2 marks question 1, 7 marks question 1. These are the second year maths A syllabus. So first of all we will discuss about the quadratic expressions. Okay, everyone note this one, chapters names and weightage. పేపర్ ప్యాటర్న్ వచ్చేసి సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎలా అయితే ఉంటుందో మ్యాథ్స్ ఏ 75 మార్క్స్, మ్యాథ్స్ బి 75 మార్క్స్. చాప్టర్స్ వచ్చేసి ఇవి ఫస్ట్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఏ సిలబస్, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఏ. వెయిటేజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇవ్వము, నోట్ చేసుకోండి ఎవ్రీవన్. Completed. So first we will discuss about the quadratic expression. Expressions. Okay, quadratic expression. What's the meaning of quadratic? Okay, first of all we will definition of polynomial. Okay, what's the definition of polynomial? Okay. Polynomial means a sum of product of constant and algebraic term constant with algebraic term and power of terms is positive integer. This is the definition of polynomial. A sum of product of constant with algebraic term and power of terms is positive integers. Okay, for example, A, B, C, D are constants. X is algebraic term. F of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d is a polynomial. Where a, b, c, d are constant term, sum and product of the algebraic term x. X is a algebraic term. The sum and product of the algebraic terms and the powers are always positive integers. This is the definition of polynomial. So polynomial definition is a sum of product of constant with algebraic term and power of terms is positive integers. This is the definition of polynomial. Everyone note this one? Completed. Next one, general definition of polynomial. This is a geometrical definition. Geometrical definition is a sum of product of constant with algebraic term and power of terms is positive integers. This is the geometrical definition of polynomial. What is the general definition of polynomial? General definition of polynomial. Okay, an expression is of the form f of x is equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus so on a1x plus a0, where a0, a1, a2 up to an minus 1 comma an are either real or complex numbers and n is positive integer, an is always not equal to 0, is called polynomial. This is the general definition of the polynomial. An expression is of the form an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus so on a1x plus a0, where a0, a1, a2 up to an are real or constant numbers, and n is always positive integer, where n is the power of x. Already we will discuss the definition of polynomial. In the definition, n is always, power of x is always positive integer. So here what is the power of x? N minus 1, n minus 2 up to so on. So where n is always positive integer and an is always not equal to 0 is called a polynomial. For example, 3x squared minus 5x plus 7 is a polynomial. Two x power 3 plus 3x power minus 2 plus 7x power minus 1 minus 5 is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial. What is the difference between these two polynomials? Expressions. First one is 3x square minus 5x plus 7. What is the power of x is here? 2, 1, 0. That is positive integer. So this expression is a polynomial. So second example, 2x cube plus 3x power minus 2, 7x power minus 1 minus 5. In this expression, what are the powers of x? 3, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is negative integer. So this expression is not a polynomial. Polynomial means the polynomial is in the form of an x power n, an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus up to so on a1x plus a0, where a1, a2, a3 up to so on are real or constant complex numbers, where n is always positive integer and an is not equal 0. This is the definition of, general definition of the polynomial. Okay, everyone note this one? Completed. Next one, degree of the polynomial. Next one, degree of polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? F of x is equal to a polynomial highest power of algebraic term is called degree. The polynomial highest power of algebraic term is called degree. Okay, for example, 7x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 4 is a polynomial. In the polynomial, what is the highest power of x? The highest power of x is 3. So this polynomial degree is 3. And another example, 3x square plus 5x power 4 plus 7. This is also a polynomial. Is a polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? In that polynomial, what are the powers of x? 2, 4, 0. So what is the highest power of x? Here, what is the highest power of x? 4 is the highest power of x. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is 4. Degree means in the polynomial, highest power of algebraic term is called degree. Everyone note this one? Okay. Next one, types of polynomial. Next one, types of polynomial. Let f of x is equal an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on a1x plus a0. Consider this is equation number 1. This is a polynomial of degree n. Because what is the highest degree of this polynomial? N. So this is a nth degree polynomial. Okay, let f of x be a polynomial. Is any polynomial. Put in this polynomial, put n is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 0. So 1 implies f of x is equal to a0 x power 0 plus a 0 minus 1 minus 1 x power 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus a minus 2 x power minus 2 plus so on. What is the definition of polynomial? The power of x, the power of algebraic terms is always positive integer. But in this polynomial, there are negative terms are there. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on up to the negative term. So these terms are we can neglect it. What is the remaining term? F of x is equal a power a0 x power 0. Something power 0 is always 1. So f of x is equal a0. This type of polynomials is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. This is the first type of the polynomial, constant polynomial. But what is the next one? Put n is equal to 1 in equation 1. General polynomial. Put n equal to 1. So 1 implies f of x is equal to a1 x power 1 plus a1 minus 1 means a0 x power 0 plus a1 minus 2 minus 1 x power minus 1 plus a minus 2 x power minus 2 plus so on. In this polynomial we can neglecting negative terms. What are the negative terms? A minus 1 x power minus 1 plus a minus 2 x power minus 2 plus so on. So these terms are neglecting. What are the remaining terms? a1 x plus a0. this type of polynomials is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. And next one, put n is equal to 2. Put n equal to 2 in equation 1. 1 implies f of x is equal to a2 x square plus a1 x power 1 plus a0 x power 0 plus a minus 1 x power minus 1 plus a minus 2 x power minus 2 plus 1. So in this polynomial we can neglecting negative terms. What are the remaining terms? a2 x square plus a1 x power 1 plus a0. So this type of polynomials is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And so on. We can substituting n equal to remaining terms, we get the remaining type of the polynomials. If n equal to 0, we get constant polynomial. Next we can substituting n equal to 1, linear polynomial. We can substituting n equal to 2, we get quadratic polynomial. This is our chapter, quadratic expression or quadratic polynomials. The quadratic expression means second degree polynomial is always called quadratic polynomial, quadratic expression. See here, in this polynomial, what is the degree of this expression? Second degree, 2. So every second degree polynomial is called quadratic expressions. Understood? Constant polynomial means only constant terms. Linear polynomial means degree 1. First degree polynomials is always called linear polynomial. Quadratic expression means every second degree polynomial is called quadratic expression or quadratic polynomial. Okay, everyone know this one? Are you completed? Okay. What's the general definition of quadratic expression? Geometrically, every second degree polynomial is called quadratic expression. What's the general definition of quadratic expression? General definition of quadratic expression. QE means quadratic expression. Okay. An expression is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real or complex numbers. Real or complex numbers, and the highest power of coefficient is always not equal to 0. So a not equal to 0. is called a quadratic expression. Is called a quadratic expression. Example: 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is a quadratic expression. Second one, x plus 2 of x minus 3 is also a quadratic expression. Zero into x cube x square plus 7x plus 5 is not a quadratic expression, because in this expression, what the highest power of x? 2, second degree polynomial. So highest power of x coefficient is here 0. So what is the general definition of quadratic expression? The highest power of x coefficient is always not equal to 0. But here the highest power of x coefficient is 0. So this expression is not a quadratic expression. You will note this one. Okay. Next one, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. Put the quadratic equation. So f of x is equal. What is the quadratic expression? Ax square plus bx plus c is general form of the quadratic expression. So every quadratic expression is equal to 0. Every quadratic expression is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. Next one, roots of the equation. Roots of quadratic equation. Roots are solution of quadratic expression or equation. F of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is any quadratic expression, and a complex number alpha is a solution of the quadratic equation, then alpha is said to be root of the quadratic equation, a quadratic expression. The roots are solution mean any quadratic equation, quadratic expression, a number is solution of the expression, then that number is called or is said to be root of the quadratic expression. Okay. For example, x square minus 2x plus 1 is a quadratic expression. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. What is f of 1? 1 square minus 2 of 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 2, that equal to 0. So this number is a solution of the expression. So this is a root of the expression. So therefore 1 is a root of f of x.